This video demonstrates how to conduct a terms and connectors search on Westlaw Edge or Lexis Plus. We will practice with a basic search for a primary source, a case, and a secondary source, American Law Reports, or ALR. I will start here at the Westlaw homepage. The first step is to identify the Content Types tab in the center of the screen. I'm going to choose Cases. Right away, I see that the gray lettering in the search bar at the top of the screen has changed to read Search Cases, telling me that my search is now narrowed to only this type of content. But I have a few more selections to make before I get started. From this page, I can choose to search federal cases by court or by circuit, cases by state, or cases by topic. I'm going to choose to search only South Carolina state cases. Now I'm ready to build my search statement. Consider a fact pattern where I'm researching the law of gifts. My client ended an engagement and she wants my advice on whether or not she must return the diamond engagement ring. The search terms that we will practice with are engagement, ring, and gift. A terms and connector search is a set of instructions that we will give to Westlaw and Lexis to retrieve relevant search results. The connectors precisely define the relationships between the search terms. To start, I will instruct Westlaw to retrieve documents that contain either the word engagement or the word ring. I have a total of 1,038 results, which is far too many, but my instructions were very broad. I asked for documents to contain only one of my two search terms. Next, we'll narrow our result by changing the connector to and. Engagement and ring instructs Westlaw to return documents that contain both of these terms. This time, just 30 results. Still, my instructions are only that terms appear somewhere in the same document. I can be even more precise by using a proximity connector. I can try engagement /s ring, where /s instructs Westlaw to retrieve results where these two terms appear in the same sentence. Now I have 20 results, so still getting better, but I can be more specific at this point by adding another term. I know that Mary is concerned about whether this ring is considered a gift, so this time I will add a new term to further narrow my results. I will keep my search engagement /s ring and add the term gift. This time I'm asking Westlaw to retrieve results where engagement and ring appear in the same sentence, but the term gift must also appear elsewhere in the document. Now I'm down to just 8 results. Let's switch gears to a secondary source. Back on the Westlaw homepage, I'm going to call up ALR as a source. At this landing page, I can continue to narrow my search by subject, or I can conduct a terms and connectors search from here. I'm going to use the same search, engagement, in the same sentence as ring. Remember that an ALR annotation is an excellent source for tracking down primary authorities, especially across jurisdictions. And let's see the difference when I add the term gift. This takes it down to 39 annotations, which is very helpful. Now let's try the same searches on Lexis Plus. From the Lexis Plus homepage, I'm going to first identify the content type, cases, then select my jurisdiction, South Carolina. When I use the search statement engagement and ring, I get 33 results. Now I can narrow these results by more precisely defining the relationship between the terms with a proximity connector. Engagement/S ring gets me 21 results. Finally, I can add a new term, gift. Which adds further context to my search as it relates to the legal issue. There are 8 results where engagement appears in the same sentence as ring, in addition to the term gift elsewhere in the document. Let's go back to the Lexis homepage to try a search for a secondary source. So like on Westlaw, from here I can call up ALR by its title in the global search bar, or I can browse the pre-search filters. So this time if I click on secondary materials, I'll find ALR under the heading National. And that means that its contents span across U.S. jurisdictions. So we'll try our search for engagement in the same sentence as ring. And just as we've done with our previous searches, I'm going to add the term gift. Which narrows the results to 35. From here, please continue to use this video as a reference and check in with your legal research instructor with any questions about terms and connectors searching.